Hey guys, my name's Doug with OBDGenie. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the security gateway module bypass into a 2018 and newer Chrysler Pacifica and a 2020 and newer Chrysler Voyager. So basically, in order to gain access to the security gateway module, you're going to use a dash trim tool and you're going to remove this lower center stack. So you'll just kind of work your way around the perimeter and then this just comes loose. You set that aside. And right back here is your security gateway module. It's this little black box right here. You simply just disconnect the two connectors that are in that gateway module and plug it into the OBDGenie bypass device. You'll hear them click into place. You can then put the vehicle in the run position and run your OBDGenie programmer. After the programmer gives you that green light, you can go ahead and remove the bypass device and take those two connectors and plug them right back into the security gateway module. Thanks for watching.